Ace, ace. Tingnan mo. Ace. Ace. Ace, ace, ace. Ace. Ace, ace, ace. Kita mo.
Stop.
Kita mo
Stop.
tong,
Stop it.
kita mo tong timer. Ayan yung screen record na time.
What?
Yes. Ayan yung timer ng screen record. Nang maya-maya maging ano siya, red. Pero,
Bakit nag-ano yan siya?
ano? Maka-screen record maya tayo.
Ha? Kaya mo lang
Just wait for your game.
I like that.
Mas madali palagi yan mag-install. Even though, di ba first yan na-install? First yan na-install at ang tagal. At saka ito, second na-install. Ano?
Hindi kasi ang first mo na-install, dapat last yun na-install. Kung hindi pa yun na-work, baka ang megabyte laki kasi high. Baka 203 megabyte. Kasi meron na good yun.
Final worst robot.
No, I'm freezing. No, what? The thing will start now.
Oo nga, nag-start na. Wait lang.
Start now ang contest.
Oo nga, wait lang. Do you love me? Hell no.
Do you need me?
No.
You're gonna drop. Go out and
Okay. Ready na sa akin. Mag-timer pa rin siya dun sa gilid. Tago lang siya. Play the game ng classic. Level 1.
article.
Start. I don't know how this works.
Wave man yan. That's a wave section.
Nakalaro man ako ng mga pinsan ko nito.
Yan ang slope ko. Yan ang slope. Ayan ang spike.
Nakalaro man ako ng ano ko nito. Nakalaro kami ng pinsan ko nito.
Oops.
Okay, slow and steady.
Maka-crush out man ikaw sa ano.
Isa.
Maka-crush out man ikaw sa slope. Sige, try ko. Maka-crush out siya. Oh.
Off ko lang yung
98%. Hello, 98% sila ko sa time machine.
sa mukha dyan sa ads.
It's okay. Just click the arrow.
Final You need to wait 1 hour for this. Alam mo, naka-install na ako ng Geometry Dash.
Turkey erase mo.
Oo, kasi 1 hour siya mag-install. I-install ko na lang since 1 hour
Actually,
siya.
kasi ano, you're at a third.
I'm literally gonna...
38.3 ko. Restart. Okay. Release kasi hindi ka ikaw mag-ano. I-hold mo muna ganito.
Nakalaro naman good ko ano eh.
Spam kasi ganito last long.
Sit for hours, staring on the bluebirds. The feeling cool birds, pretty little baby. La 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 la. I am literally so scared of this. 78%. Grabe naman eh.
Meron na ako.
Quiet, quiet, quiet. I'm gonna try to focus. Ha?
It's a black processing.
I really wanna play, bro. Cool. Tili. Tili. I tried hard mode, bro.
It's level 1 hard.
I don't know.
Please muna ikaw. Hold them then more. Please. Hold na.
You almost made me crash, bro. Bro, we died at the same time, bro.
Don't die. Don't die.
Okay.
Focus it.
Okay.
Then you think.
I know. This is level 1 and I'm already crashing out.
Why is no attempt?
Yes.
Let's die.
This is because geometry arrow.
Oh, because it's the only way. We're so close right now.
Kasama.
What's that?
My phone. This is my phone.
I mean, what are you saying? That's
Geometry arrow.
that was geometry dash.
This is arrow version.
That's not an arrow. It's a wave section.
Ah! Shut up, bro.
It's a wave.
Shut up, bro. Bro, need to shut up, bro. Why is the percent filling up so fast?
I just don't do speed.
Did you know that the extreme piano is very hard for me?
Extreme demon.
Hindi yung bro, first shut up. Yung ano good, yung piano, remember yung piano nag-show ko sa'yo kanina? Ace?
You can speak Bisaya.
Next level.
Oh, that's an easy. But I think that's a wave. That a wave. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Okay. There's so many.
The about science.
Icons look good.
I like them.
Ball, UFO, wave.
Uy, medium ba ito na level?
Medium. Polar gift and try out manyan.
Wait.
We have
I play Gacha Life. Wait.
Okay, sorry. Oh, shut up. What are you playing now? Your turn off your internet.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, you have load?
I am connecting to my dad.
Oh. Saan all?
Yeah, there. His
Hey,
phone is
hey,
Galaxy
hey,
A12 742B.
Oh.
Full
Your screen
internet.
recorder is not done.
Oh yeah, I know, bro.
Your
game na nagalaro ako ng pinsan ko. May geometry dash ito, lahat na kinds.
What's Y?
Y8.com. Shush, 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 shush.
There's a, he's a slapper. He's a slapper. He's a slapper.
Bro.
Does he ever shut up, bro?
Ever since Kinder 2, bro.
Oh.
We were classmates.
So he keeps yapping.
He yaps like crazy, like someone got dead.
Your yapping looks like a chicken.
Your eyes looks like it's gonna fall out of your mouth.
Oh my. Your body is full of fun.
Yo, what is this roast battle?
What is
No. This is what we played. This is the thing that I played with my friends.
How about this piano one? How about this piano one?
Wait.
I like piano sometimes.
Did you know that this is also? Do you know that this also have geometry dash?
Oh, that's cool. I love playing that game, but I always rage.
I'm not going fourth. Shut up.
99 up to the forest. You know how to spell it? So can you do that?
I have played this so many times.
What is
Oh,
this?
look! Oh,
That's only geometry.
a maggot. It's a
Wait,
maggot. There is
Oh my
geometry. Oh my God! Stop it.
She has a
Dash.
maggot. Oh, you said a dash?
Oh, tanawa.
Wow.
Daghana kaayo geometry. Sulikat. Gok. Ito yung ginalaro ng mga...
Oh,
Ito yung gina-play ng mga cousins namin.
Hey, meron pa rin geometry that's like
Wait.
light, word,
Shut
name,
up.
now.
Shut up, Ace.
Shut up.
Oral, shut up.
I didn't talk.
Yung nagbento baya kami sa school, yung bento, at saka ako sabi ko, you,
You know
shut
where's
up,
my-
you, shut up, you, shut up, you, shut up.
7%
Wait lang.
your cousin.
Wait lang, di ba si G, yung,
What is it?
yung, shut up,
Sa may Dairy Cream, sumasarap ang mga lutuin. Dairy Cream, pinipili ng mapiling ina.
Get. Yung game good na geometry arrow, yung app. Pero ito sa Y8, the same yung level niya sa level 1. The same yung the same yung obstacles niya sa level 1. At saka medium. Pero ito,
What is your grade?
What is your grade? The same kami na grade. Uy, guys!
It's really so hard. It's really so hard when it's saying. That's not really hard. So you can have it.
Lily. Stop.
Just
Stop.
portrait. But only do it only. That's kind of easy, I think.
I know, but guys, it's because also the lag. You saw the lag.
is so
Yeah,
crazy.
You saw the lag. The lag is actually so crazy.
Really hard.
Oh yeah.
You have to be quiet.
Shut up. When I was,
We need to shut up.
You guys need to shut up. The mic shut up. Mic shut up. Shut up, mic.
But there's a loud thing.
This is why I always rage on this. I always rage because the lag, you saw? I always rage on lag. I don't know, maybe 100. Oh my god, lag, oh my god.
I'm all quiet here and you guys keep yapping.
This level is so extreme because of lag. Kapit na yun! Na 50 pa siya! How was I 67, bro? 67 high score ko. Maybe because I always rage. I say,
Wow!
patay na po siya. Ay, nagsama na siya. Uy! Hey, stop speaking in my ear. Ace keeps speaking in my ear.
Hapit na akong to. Okay.
Guys,
Zip your mouth.
guys, please. I have always conflict. What the
Our best ever idol Chico. Our cheesiest idol ever.
Because K-pop Demon Hunters. Can you shut up right now? It's
No,
really
that's
annoying.
just for
That
kids.
one is my favorite. Shut up.
Play Geometry
Wait.
Dash.
Guys, wait.
Geometry Dash is there now.
Guys, can you guys wait? Bro.
Sana all my
That is
Spotify.
I used this when I was 3.
I don't have Spotify on my
It's
phone.
not Spotify.
Oh. Are you crying?
Look. I don't want to play that. Wait, wait, guys. Who remembers this?
I saw something.
Wait.
It's Groovy.
Huh?
Do you play Groovy's game? Like-
Wait.
Groovy
that is
makes Groovy makes
Scary?
games in Roblox.
Wait. Look at my library. I know it's Groovy Tower.
What, bro? You don't
It's
understand.
Cosmic Dolphin. Guys,
I'm a cosmic doll. You gotta shut up now.
guys, what?
See? You dumb? No. You press this.
We need to play
What's an
now.
OFO?
What's an OFO? We need to play now. What's your Christmas?
You're tweaking, honey. Bro, garden song.
Can you play now? Please do. Wait. Wait.
Roblox song?
Wait. It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos.